Coast weather. Certified most accurate.
All right, we are just heating up in the tropics. I mean, we're getting to kind of not the peak of hurricane season, that's in September, but kind of the bulk of it. Mid-August, mid-October, that's kind of the meat and the potatoes, if you will, of the hurricane season. Here we are, 3 areas of interest. And again, I'll hold with saying what I said earlier in the show. Our overall concern at this point is low. Could that change? Yeah, but likely not for now. That doesn't mean later on in the season something could change. We have this guy in the Northern Atlantic. Don't worry about him. Areas that we'll be watching closely over the next couple of days is this area in red. We have a tropical wave that could become Cristobal. Our next named system in the books here will be Cristobal. After that, it's Dolly. Now, following that wave, we have another tropical wave emerging off the west coast of Africa. That has a 10 to 20% chance of developing. We'll worry about that one after we get through this one. Both heading off to the west, most likely falling apart with some wind shear as it gets closer to the eastern Caribbean. That's why we're pretty much on that low concern for now because of that high amount of wind shear in the Atlantic basin that we can thank El Nino for. Like I mentioned, we are approaching the bulk of hurricane season, so we have to be patient and on alert as we go through the next few weeks and stay informed. We'll have you here through the rest of hurricane week as well. Where was the rain today? Well, we didn't have a lot of rain because we had some dry air right in the middle levels of the atmosphere. Tomorrow, that changes. We return to our very saturated atmosphere, ready to go, primed for some showers and storms for the afternoon, and that will stay for the rest of the week and into the weekend. Rain chances look like this, up to 40% through Friday, peaking on Saturday at 60%. By the way, today, record heat. We reached 96 degrees. The old record was 95. Are we going to break records going forward? Probably not. They're a little out of reach. 97 both Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. The record's at 98. Tomorrow we're headed to 94. We'll have some scattered storms. I'll show them on your Futurecast coming up in just a bit. We'll stay into that mid-90s range throughout the rest of the week and into the weekend, and then into next week. If those tropical waves that we're tracking, they don't even get to the Lesser Antilles if they head in that direction until early next week. So we have a long time to watch these and see how they're going to fare. Again, the overall concern is very low at this point. What we'll see in the near future are a lot of showers and thunderstorms returning to the forecast. Tomorrow, we stay dry for drive-in, for school, to drop the kids off. But by lunchtime, we already have a couple of showers popping up. This is 12:30, isolated around Cape Coral, western parts of Lee County, San Carlos, or even into Fort Myers. Still pretty scattered through mid-afternoon and hanging around the region. But then once we get closer to dinner time, more of those heavier storms will be able to develop. We have some heavier downpours, some gustier winds. That's what we had tonight in southern parts of Collier County, closer to Everglades City. That could be the same case again for tomorrow. Stronger storms for areas inland, but they don't really go away immediately. They start to move along some boundaries farther to the north and then eventually head closer to 41 and 75 as the sun is setting, and then they'll fade away. We'll do that over again on Thursday and Friday. That's your Gulf Coast weather, most accurate forecast.